YouTube, how the fuck are you guys doing today? So today we're doing another DTUAV fucking tool haul from Mac Tools. I don't know what the fuck's going on with YouTube, but everybody is joining the junkie bandwagon buying Mac Tools. You know what I'm saying? Like they all want to be, we got a whole bunch of dick riders on fucking YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Like, I start talking about it, then people are like, oh man, you know, oh fuck, now all of a sudden, you know, I gotta be doing fucking YouTube videos about Mac Tools. We got a bunch of dick riders out there, fellas. Bunch of motherfucking dick riders. So, without further ado, let's go show you what another about fucking, hold on here, I don't know where, I ain't got the receipt in my pocket, but probably about, I think this is like 4 or 5 grand worth of shit, but, you know, like the one dude says, junkie, you buy tools like a boss. Okay, well, that's because I am a boss. I got a whole bunch of shit. This is the last little bit that I ordered last week. Just trying to get everything for the goddamn service truck. I would rather be over-prepared than under-prepared, fellas, if you get what I'm saying. So let's get into this. Look at this fucking box, boys. Alrighty. The first goddamn thing was this shit on promo. RTRT bits. Alright, let's take a look at these. Oh, yeah, buddy. Oh, goddamn. Ah! Fuck me. Well, I did buy more of these, YouTube. Just to let you guys know, I love these mini pry bars. I bought 2 sets. Alright. I got 2 sets. So this makes set number 3. Really like these things. Alright, let's get that opened. Alright, ooh, these are the 1/4-inch Bullies. Look at that. Look at that, for doing like rounded stuff. Needed that. Alright, see what else we got. Here we go. The Mac 500 Lite. Take a look at that. Oh, boys. So, it's kind of in between the 750 and the 250. You know? Oh, yeah. So, we got that, fellas. You know, I got about 9 of these goddamn chargers. So, throw that over there. Alright, like I said, 2 of these, because you never know, Okay, the next thing I got is drain plug things from Mac. There is the part number. I wanted to have these on there because they work good. I like to, you know, in case you have to do an oil change or anything out on the side of the road, I got that, you know. Ooh, big long box. Long bag. See what we got in here. Oh yeah. Alrighty. These are the Mac Knuckle Savers. Okay, it's their long pattern wrenches. I love long pattern wrenches. So now I have long pattern, short pattern, extra short pattern, you know, all that type of shit. You know. Gotta have that. Let's see what else we got. Okay. Get our opener here. This is like Christmas. Okay? It's Christmas in May, fellas. Christmas in May. Alright. The difference between me and a lot of other channels is I don't just go on the tool truck and jerk the tool truck guy off. I actually buy shit. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, this is 12-point long, like fucking whatever you call these, extension swivel sockets. I got this because this helps take PTO pumps off. So we got that one. Put that shit in the pile. I got that. Let's see what else we got in here. All right. Alrighty, we got some more MAC Axis Ratchets here. Alrighty, throw that in there. And you got this 1/2 inch short, which, you know, works good for other things. Eventually, my Snap-on guy is going to come by. I got a whole bunch of shit there on order, too. But, you know, I love these MAC Axis Ratchets. So, I have... Oh! Little scratch. I love these MAC Axis Ratchets and Mac Tools. Listen, if you're out there watching the Junkies channel, I need a short one with a comfort grip, but you don't make a short one with a locking flex head comfort grip. What kind of Jew shit is that? I don't know. But we also got that. Alrighty, the next thing I got is 1/4 inch lockable extensions. This is the long set. Alright, you can never have enough 1/4 inch. I like locking extensions. I don't know why, I just do. I think it works out better. Alright, the next thing we got, this is MAC Impact extensions. Remember, when you're working on big trucks, chrome fucking extensions don't do a fucking bit of good. Alright, let's see what we got there. Alright, now we got, look at this, 1/2 inch long locking extensions. Look at that shit. Big dog style. Got all that. Alrighty, let's see what we got in these pouches. I think this is... I think these are burrs. Yeah. So I got 3-piece long Carbide Burr Set. Why I bought burrs from Mac Tools is you're gonna fuck these up, fellas, okay? And the Mac Tools Carbide burrs are guaranteed for life. So if you're gonna spend the money, get the Carbide burrs. Look at this thing. How awesome is that? You know, fluted carbide. This looks like a goddamn end mill. We put that in there, grind up some shit. This thing is awesome. You can use these as, like, if you have to do a tire plug, you run that in there. That's fucking awesome. So we got that. Let's see what else we got. YouTube. Sorry this video is so long, but I bought a lot of shit. Alright, and then we got another Carbide Burr Set. So just, you know, like I said, if you're going to buy, okay, Carbide burrs, buy them off the Mac Tools truck, guys. It's the best value, because if you fuck them up, you know, it's still going to be alright. Alrighty. Another thing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, now what this is the same thing I showed you before, but instead of standard, it's now metric 12 point. I use this for this. We'll take the air filters off a Peterbilt 567, better than anything else. So we got that. Let's see what else we got. Another pouch. All right, we're coming down. We only got 2 more things, YouTube. 2 more things. Jesus Lord. All right, I think I know what this is. I know what this is. Alrighty. Mac long metric Knuckle Savers. Alright, I like, you know, I have the Snap-on long ones in the shop, and I just wanted to try some Knuckle Savers. I will tell you, one thing that I like about these metric ones is they chamfered the edges more. That's nice. And it comes with safety tips. Like if you need a safety tip for a wrench, okay, what kind of world are we living in where you got to put a goddamn safety fucking instructions with wrenches? All right, don't do anything stupid for wrenches and you won't lose teeth. Trust me. Alrighty. Alrighty. The last thing we got is 6-piece large precision torque ratcheting wrenches. Now the reason I got this is because It comes with a number 24, and to get brake rotors, holy shit, we got a mess. All right, to get brake calipers off of Peterbilt, it is a 24-inch ratcheting wrench size, and it's in there pretty, they're in there in a pretty fucked up location, kind of like where you almost can't impact them. You got to use a wrench and then ratcheting wrench them off, just because of where they're located. So we got all that stuff. I will get all this shit. God damn, it's windy as fuck out here, YouTube. Windy as fuck. But I'll get all that shit put away, and you know, eventually, we're probably 2 or 3 weeks away from showing you the final version of the DTUAV, okay? We got to get a weight on it. If you guys want to play the game, we'll try to figure out what this thing weighs once I get everything in it. I got to put oxygen acetylene bottles and some torches and 2 tires and rims that I've just been too lazy to put in there. But like always, thanks for watching this video. Go check out Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, TikTok, all that fucking bullshit. And like always, I gotta fucking go.